Hello guys, it's your boy Habib Etiquette, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how to make money on TikTok. A lot of people don't know much about TikTok. They don't know how to go viral on TikTok, and they don't know how to advertise their products on TikTok. So in this video I'm going to share with you some few tips on how to grow, advertise and make money on TikTok. So guys, how do people make money on TikTok? One, by advertising their own products and sell it on TikTok through advertising the products on their videos. And the second way to make money on TikTok is to receive gifts from followers whenever you reach 1,000 subscribers, because whenever you reach 1,000 subscribers you can go live, and when you go live people will fall in love with your products and your content on TikTok, and with that they'll start to give you more gift. Those gifts, they buy it with their own money. They buy the gift with their own money. So whenever they buy a gift for you, that gift they will buy with money, send it to you. You also withdraw it as cash. And how will you withdraw it? You will withdraw the money through PayPal. I did a video on how to create a PayPal account, so you can watch it and also create one for yourself if you are a TikToker. And with that, whenever you receive more gifts, you can also withdraw it. It makes sense. And the third way they make money on TikTok is through advertising other companies' product. So you become a brand ambassador. So let's assume Techno. Okay, Techno saw that my videos are going viral and they fell in love with my content, because mostly I do content related to tech. So Techno will approach me and be like, they want me to be their brand ambassador. Okay, meaning they will bring me products for free and I'll be advertising the products in my video, because I have a lot of viewers and followers. So I think with that they will also get a lot of customers through my followers. So it's a win-win game. Okay, so they'll bring me a product, let's say this Techno Spark 5 Pro. So when they bring me this product in my video, I'll be like, oh wow, this is a Techno mobile phone that I'll be using. The phone is good, it has a bright camera, the aperture, the battery is 5000 AH battery capacity, and I'll mention a lot about the Techno, so that I'll be able to convince my followers and viewers to buy this product. So whenever I advertise, whether people buy or not, so far as they've approached you to advertise, you did what they wanted. So with that, you also earn from Techno. Apart from earning or receiving cash from Techno, you are going to receive free gifts also from Techno. So let's assume they will bring me mobile phone, I'll advertise, and they will give it to me for free. So you can see people like Asantewa, sometimes in her videos, she'll be advertising pomade, she'll be smelling pomade on her body and other stuff. So at that moment, she's a brand ambassador for that company, and she's advertising their product through her videos, and she's earning money. That's how it works. Simple. But some few things you have to have in mind is, after having the TikTok account, make sure you have a WhatsApp business account, create a store in it, and also link it with other social media handles. So I don't want to bother you with my talk. Without wasting my time, let's dive into it. Alright guys, welcome. If this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon, so that whenever I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. But if you've been here with us, welcome back. Now I don't want to talk much. After creating the TikTok account, a lot of people don't know how to grow the account. In the beginning, start creating videos. So the more you create videos, the more you have viewers, and with those views, the more they start to follow you. But now, how will you make your video go viral? Now, after shooting the video, before uploading, let's assume you've watched other people's viral video. Why are those videos viral? Sometimes the music they use in the videos is included, and the hashtags. So quickly move to any of the viral videos. Right beneath the person's profile icon, you will see the videos icon there, and you will also see the music. Just tap on the music, copy the music, and you can also use that music in your videos also. So after shooting your videos, editing it, the moment you're about to upload or you upload, add music. So make sure you add that music from the viral video that you've copied. Then after that, in the description box, after writing much about the video, describing the videos, the hashtags will be hashtag FYP. That's one. Second one, hashtag viral video or viral. Then the third one, hashtag if it is a product that you are advertising, you can list the product's name. Okay, and with that, you are good to go. Or you can add hashtag TikTok video. That's another way. So with that, when you post those videos, because of the music you've used in the background, your videos are going to go viral. Because any viral video with that music, the moment people start to watch, you to yours will pop up because you have that same music in your video. So whenever you are able to do this like often, you are going to get a lot of views and a lot of followers. So with that, that's how you begin to grow your account. But which videos are you going to shoot? Let's assume I'm into making money and I have a store, I have an online store, I have a product that I'm selling or products that I sell. Then in the video, I have to use those products or talk about those products. So let's assume this light that you are seeing, so I'm talking about, oh, this light is good, it uses the LED battery and its brightness is awesome. So you can see it's a LED photography light, which is cool. It's very cheap. How much you buy it, or how much did you buy it? I bought it for 10 cedis. So guys, you can buy and leave your number also. Okay, that's how it works. So after that, in the video, I will put a caption, leave my number. If you are interested, hit me up. But for security reason, make sure that contact that you are leaving in the video is your business contact. So with that, whether they disturb you with a lot of messages, you will not mind them because you are business focused. So put the number there and be careful so that people will not fraud you, as you know. Yeah, so leave your business contact there. The reason I'm saying you should leave the business contact is, after someone fell in love with your description of the product in the video, the person might want to test or save that number and also test you and ask you more about the product, the light I just showed you. So with that, when he saves that number, that's your business contact. So he's going to start chatting you in your business or WhatsApp business account. So imagine in your WhatsApp business account, your status, so you've used this same product and do the advertisement, post them as status in your WhatsApp business account. So the person is going to see the status there also. So still you are advertising your product both on TikTok and on WhatsApp business. And one thing too you have to do after creating or posting this status, you have to have an online store or a WhatsApp store. I spoke about it last time in my video. So like this video, I said a lot about that. If you want to know how to create the WhatsApp store, just hit me up in the comment section down below and I will be ready to help you out how to create those WhatsApp stores. So now you've gotten 2 social media platform where you are advertising your product. One on TikTok, second one on WhatsApp business. Then let's move to the third one. After sharing on your status, growing your account, before you go live on TikTok, you have to get 1,000 followers. Without 1,000 followers, you can't go live. So now you've already posted a lot of video. 1, 2, you've grew your account and you have viral videos. 2, 3, you have more followers, 1,000 followers, more videos on that product or those products. Then now after 1,000 followers, you can come live. So in your live video, that's where you start to play game with others. You start to speak much about the products, and there people will start to connect with you much. If you are a girl, make sure you dress well, package yourself well, you know what I mean, and also advertise the products well, and men are going to fall in love with you and your product. But know in mind that you are not advertising yourself but your product. So with there, use your gumption. That's one aspect of it. So you start going live. In the live, you start playing game with others, start connecting with people. Back to WhatsApp business. So with your WhatsApp business account, if you have Facebook account and Instagram account, you can connect a business account with them. That's the WhatsApp business. So there too, you start to advertise on Facebook, you start to advertise on Instagram. But one simplest thing that you don't know is on the Instagram account, when you are going to post a post or a reel, you can still share it with Facebook because Instagram and Facebook is the same company. It's for the same person or the same company, if I should say that. When you are going to post on Instagram, it will tell you whether you want it to be shared on Facebook as well. Yes, you want it to be shared. You want to advertise and connect with more people. And one thing, whenever people hit you up in your WhatsApp account, WhatsApp business account, try to save their number. It's not necessary. You can save it, maybe WhatsApp 1 or customer 1, customer 2, customer 3. So why? Because you just want to connect with them, share status with them so that they will get to know much of or much about your product. So you advertise with them, you connect. Whenever they ask question, try to reply, and they'll see you are there for them, because it's because of the customers that you are advertising the product. Without customers, you won't advertise. So be kind to them, be respectful, reply when it's needed, and as well advertise and connect with them. So with that, you are going to make a lot of money on TikTok, WhatsApp business, Facebook, and Instagram, because you are going to, pull a lot of audience. And here is a short tip that you guys have to know. Why won't you take advantage of the Jumia affiliate program also? The more you are advertising, let me say something like this on TikTok or WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram, then the better thing that I have to do is also leave, the Jumia affiliate programs link, and tell them I bought this thing on Jumia. It is 10 cedis. It's not that costly, so you can buy it, guys, and it is a quality good. So there is a link in the description down below, so hit it up. It will direct you to Jumia. You go and buy the product, and with there you get more discount. And Charlie, try to brand yourself and advertise through the links too, so people will try to connect with you personally, where you can deliver it to them. That's one. Two, they'll try to go online themselves and shop the products. So when you leave your affiliate programs link in the description, they hit it up, it takes them direct to Jumia. With there, whenever they buy products from Jumia, they will pay to Jumia. Jumia will also give you a commission. So now you've gotten, two sources of income. One, personal contact with, customers. Two, through a Jumia affiliate program. This is the easiest way to make money. I think these tips that I give make sense. Whatever it is, let me know in the comment section down below. But I still also have a Jumia affiliate links, in the description below, and how to buy on Jumia and other stuff. So you can just hit it up and check how it works. And if you want to become a Jumia affiliate yourself, I have a link also, and you can hit it up. It will help you to create a Jumia affiliate link. You will have one for yourself. Whenever you try to advertise it, tell friends to buy through your link, you will get a commission. Simple as ABC. So now what I want you guys to know is, if you don't know how to create the WhatsApp business store, last time I did a video about that, this video, you can hit me up and I will help you to create the WhatsApp business store. It's very easy. And with that, when your customers, link up with you in the WhatsApp business, you can advertise or introduce the store to them. They'll just enter the store. In the store, you've advertised or put a lot of products with their prices, and the products, describe the product a lot. So they'll just hit it up. It will take them to a lot of stores, the product that you've created in the store. And they can choose anyone, hit it up and tell you, I'm interested in this, how much you sell it. You can just, guys, it's just easy to buy. Okay, and this is the easiest way to make money and to grow your account both on TikTok and other platforms. I think these videos make sense, guys. I'm your boy Habib Educate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon, so that whenever I do cool videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. It's your boy Habib Educate, and I'll see you in the next video. Salam.